My stroke happened when I was 6, so I was just like, am I gonna use one side forever? Am I going to be hopeless with one arm? And I was getting anxiety, like, what if I break my stronger arm? Like, what am I going to do? Like, if I break my stronger arm, like, there's nothing that I can do. And all these thoughts were just going around my head when I was younger. And my dad got me into football and cricket and was coaching both, so I knew someone was there if I needed anything. And I felt better because there was people that I cared about there, so I just felt at ease. So because I strengthened my leg doing football and cricket, I came to the conclusion, like, I have no foot drop and I have no spasms in my leg. So I was just thinking, why can't I do that with my hand? It is difficult just because you are walking on your leg constantly, so like that in itself gets it stronger. So with your hand you have to do dexterity exercises, you have to squeeze a ball, you have to do all these things just to get your dexterity good. And once you've done that, your hand will get better over time, and that's what we all want, just to get hand and leg better. And just think of it like it's a challenge. Like, my hand isn't the greatest, so I'm taking it as a challenge to get it better. But enough about me. What should you do? If you haven't used your hand consistently, I suggest just to do one thing a day, because if you do one thing a day, it can build up to 2 things a day, it can build up to 3 things, 4 things, and it just keeps on snowballing the effect. And once you know it, you're going to go up to that second stage, on that third stage, where you are like opening your hand, closing your hand consistently on command. What you'll have to do is close doors. There's loads of examples. You just have to be creative with it, and don't just minimize yourself just to like closing doors, or even like picking up water bottles like that. Even if it's just to your stronger hand, just do one thing a day, and I'm sure you'll feel better. And it's just to feel better. Like, if you're typing, just do one letter with your weaker hand, and then that's you basically using your weaker hand for the day. So when I was writing this script up, I use a computer, and because I use a computer, all my focus is on my left hand. So when I was writing this up, typing this up, I used P, I used any of the keyboard, like I'm showing you here. It's basically like that. Just join a club or the gym. If people realise that you have a disability, you will get praised. People at my gym, they say like they didn't realise that I had a disability, that I've had a stroke. Your weaker side is valuable and you should take care of it. The only way to restore normal function is just to use it. Living with hemiplegia takes resilience, and it is a challenge. Living with hemiplegia is a challenge, and you have to you have to praise the things that you do with your weaker side, and not just downplay it. When you don't feel like the things that you're meant to do, you're thinking about the obligation, not the opportunity that lies in front of you. It's as if you were in a coma and you didn't really have a memory before. So you get told that you were in the army, You would act so much different if you were told that you were a language tutor. You would speak more confidently in both cases. If you were in the army, you would have more authority and more of a routine. And if you were a language tutor, you would speak in a more persuasive tone and have more charisma about you. So you just need to have the correct input to get the right result. Your brain is like a circuit, and if you have the right wiring, you'll go straight to your goal. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.